Hello WABAM U. Today, WABAM Slick. This would be a ceramic spray quick detailer. So when you want a little bit more of a hydrophobic quality, more protection, this is rated up to 90 days. This is where we go. So you're gonna have the piece of equipment you're working on, whether it's a truck like this, a motorcycle, boat, semi, you name it, you're gonna have it clean. When it's all dry, you're gonna touch it up and get some protection on it. We're gonna grab our Slick. So we're gonna mist it on, and we can do this on the glass, on the paint. As you see, there's some decals down here. All of that is safe. So just kind of work it in nicely. Get it in there nice and good everywhere. You can see too, we were working around this chrome plastic handle. Does great on chrome, be okay on wheels, all that stuff, mirrors, you name it. All right, now we flip the towel and we just work it back and we buff it all off. You'll just see it walk right off. All right, so leaves a nice feel. And like I said, up to 90 days of protection with this, which is great. So it has the SiO2 in it, gives you that little bit ceramic quality. And the beautiful thing that you'll love to see, and it's just awesome, is the hydrophobic features. So now we go drive it. It's a daily. Obviously, unfortunately, you're gonna get caught in the rain and get your car dirty. But you will see all that water just BB up on here. And the minute you carry a little bit of speed, you'll see it walk right off. Or if we're talking about a rewash, now when you wash it, you're gonna have the water hydrophobe out. You won't have it all attached to it. And easy to blow off with a leaf blower or anything like that. So beautiful product, WABAM Slick. Check it out.